Welcome to the Advanced Dual Health and Life Coach Certification. Today we're discussing business development for coaches, more specifically automation tools for streamlining your coaching business. Introduction. Running a coaching business is rewarding, but the manual administrative tasks can become quite overwhelming. Automation tools help coaches save time, improve efficiency, and focus more on their clients. By streamlining repetitive tasks such as scheduling, client management, and payments, you can create more capacity for what truly matters, which is coaching and growth. Objective. Equip the coaches with actionable knowledge of automation tools to enhance efficiency, client satisfaction, and business scalability. Example, when you automate the mundane, you free yourself for the meaningful. Key points. Principles of automation and coaching. Time optimization, number one. It frees up hours by automating repetitive tasks. Example, use a scheduling app like Calendly to eliminate back and forth emails about appointment timings. Example, your time is your most valuable asset, spend it wisely. 2. Enhanced client journey. Seamless communication and onboarding elevate client trust. Example, automate a welcome email series that guides clients through the first steps before their coaching begins. Example, a client who feels guided stays committed. 3. Consistency and accuracy. Automation minimizes human error in monotonous tasks. Example, you can set automated invoicing reminders to avoid late payments. 4. Personalized touch with automation. Use automation to maintain a personal connection. Example, send a personalized birthday greeting email to clients via automated CRM workflows. Scalability, number 5. You can automate building systems that scale as your business grows. Example, every automated system is a step towards exponential growth. Effective strategies for automation. 1. Scheduling tools for appointment. Use tools like Calendly or Acuity to allow clients to choose sessions based on availability. You can automatically send reminders and sync with calendars, which is Google and Outlook. Example, book a session button placements on your website. And example, when scheduling is simple, clients show up. 2. Automated onboarding systems. Welcome new clients with a series of informative, warm emails using tools like Dubsado or Paperbell. Include intake forms, contracts, and FAQs. Example, a 5 email onboarding series that introduces your coaching style, resources, and payment timelines. 3. Lead nurturing through email automation. Use email marketing tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or ConvertKit to deliver tailored email sequences. Nurture leads with free resources like ebooks or webinars before offering services. Example, the more value you offer upfront, the greater your results down the line. 4. Automated payment processing. You can automate your recurring payments with platforms like Stripe or PayPal. You can create invoices instantly after a session purchase via Paperbell. Example, set up automated payment reminders for clients on monthly payment plans. 5. Marketing and social media automation. Schedule social media posts in advance using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Example, months worth of motivational posts uploaded at once but scheduled for daily release. 6. Client progress tracking. Use CRM tools like Coach Accountable to automate updates on client milestones. You can provide instant feedback forms after every session. Example, automation isn't cold, it lets you focus on being warm. Techniques for mastery level automation. 1. Map and segment workflows. Break down your processes, which are onboarding, feedback, scheduling, and find which steps can be automated. Example, an intake form automatically forwarding to your CRM streamline scheduling follow-ups. 2. Customize templates. Use dynamic fields in emails or contracts. Example, hi, the name of the client, here's your custom plan for the goal that they purchased. 3. Integrate platforms. Sync the tools with Zapier to ensure seamless data transfer. Example, save all client inquiries from your website form directly into your CRM. 4. Enable analytics. Use analytics in email tools and CRM to understand open rates, CTRs, and engagement. Example, track what works and make it work better. 5. Test routinely. Always test workflows to catch glitches before deploying them to clients. Example, even automation benefits from a thoughtful human touch. Let's have a look at the summary tables. Table number 1 talks about automation tools overflow. Let's talk about some categories, some tool examples, primary functions of them, some pro tip for the coaches, and some example use cases. Let's talk about scheduling as one of the examples. Some examples include Calendly and Acuity. The main primary function is enabling automated booking to prevent double booking, sync with calendars like Google or Outlook. Pro tip for coaches. You can integrate booking pages with your website and emails for easier access. Example use cases. A client uses Calendly to book sessions directly from a link shared via their email. Take a moment to have a look at the rest of the table. Continued. Let's have a look at the categories, some tool examples, primary functions, pro tip for coaches, and some example use cases. Here, let's have a look at data integration as an example, and one of those tools would be Zapier. It is main functionally used for syncing the data across platforms like forms, payments, and tracking systems. Some pro tips: you can use workflows to avoid repetitive data entry across multiple tools. Example use cases: when a client files an inquiry on the website, Zapier auto adds their details to your CRM and shared email list. Take a moment to have a look at the rest of the table. Table number 2 talks about the advantages of using automation. We can have a look at some benefits and advantages, the explanation, how it values the coaches, and some examples. Let's have a look at improved client experience. The main explanation is that it is keeping communication seamless and professional, builds clients' satisfaction and retention. Value for coaches: it elevates trust as clients feel guided and supported throughout their coaching experience. Example: automating welcome email sequences provides clear instructions and support as clients onboard. Take a moment to have a look at the rest of the table. Table number 3 talks about workflow components. Have a look at the workflow types, some key components, explanation, pro tips, and some examples. Let's have a look at onboarding systems. The main key component is that it welcomes emails, contracts, and intake forms. Explanation is that it formalizes the relationship while building confidence and enthusiasm in the client. Some pro tips: you can use pre-designed templates to quickly tailor onboarding needs for each client. Example: clients get a contract and a goal mapping form right after booking their first session. Take a moment to have a look at the rest of the table. Table number 4 talks about cost-effective automation options. Let's have a look at some categories of tools, the free option, the premium alternative, some key differences between them, and some advice for the coaches. Let's have a look at payment processing. The free option would be PayPal, and the premium alternative is Stripe. Stripe provides advanced recurring billing and a wider feature for subscriptions, whereas PayPal suffices for beginners, but as your practice grows, Stripe's automation pays off. This is what advice for the coaches. Take a moment to have a look at the rest of the table. Table number 5 talks about steps for implementation. Let's have a look at the steps, some actions, insight for coaches, some pro tips, and some examples. One example is, the step is choosing relevant tools. Action is that you can select tools that support specific workflows that match your needs. Insights are that the efficiency improves when the tools handle multiple tasks seamlessly. Pro tips is that you can look for tools that can integrate with other systems to create a more cohesive ecosystem. Examples include Calendly integrates with Zoom to manage meeting links automatically. Take a moment to have a look at the rest of the table. Let's have a look at some MCQs. Take a moment to have a look at question number 1 and 2. Take a moment to have a look at question number 3 and number 4. Have a look at question number 5. Thank you.